This is going to be a video on how I get my hair from this to this. Hi everyone! So as the title says, today I will be sharing with you what I do on a weekly basis to get frizz-free waves. It's really not a complicated process, and that's because I'm still learning how to, I guess, style my hair and how to treat it the best way possible to get frizz-free hair. I grew up with such frizzy hair and just accepted the fact that I had the weirdest hair type. I didn't have wavy hair, I didn't have curly hair, I had something that was somewhat in between, and the more I took care of my hair and moisturized it, I started seeing these really pretty waves slash curls coming out. Like, what? This was not a thing last year, okay? Let me tell you that. Before we hop right in, I do want to thank today's sponsor, and that is Aussie. I grew up loving Aussie products, and I just want to say thank you, because without your guys' support, something like this wouldn't even be possible. I'm excited to say that Aussie has hair products for all hair types now. It used to be, I believe, just curly and straight hair, but now they have products for straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. So they have something for everybody. Their products are all PETA certified, cruelty free, so you can be reassured that their products are not being tested on animals. And their Miracle Waves collection, the collection that I use, is infused with cannabis hemp seed extract, and those ingredients really help with taming frizzy hair and just providing the moisture that your hair needs. I've been loving their products. Their stuff smells amazing, and I'm excited to share with you guys how I use it. So let's hop right in. Alright, so first step of my wavy hair frizz-free routine involves this giant tub of coconut oil. I mean, you could definitely have a regular sized tub if that's more convenient. So normally I would have to put this in a little cup or bowl and microwave it until it's melted, but since it's been kind of warm in this apartment, it's already melted for me. Pretty nice. I love using coconut oil. Ideally, I would love to do a hair mask once a week. I also try to wash my hair only 1 to 2 times a week. So what I've loved doing is doing my hair masks early Sunday morning, keeping it in all day, and then I'll do a deep clean that Sunday night. So today we are gonna put that coconut oil in my hair. So excited. I kind of just focus it on my ends, but I do end up putting some around my scalp. And the thing with my hair is it tends to be really dry, so to combat the frizz, I love using coconut oil as a hair mask. I love using a lot of conditioner. For this coconut oil mask, I highly recommend putting it in your hair for a couple of hours, minimum 3, to really see a good result. But yeah, I would say 8 hours, 8 to 10 is pretty good. It's my standard. I like to go with my fingers and I kind of just rake through my scalp, and it feels so good. It's like a little head massage. And there we go, friends. So now I am going to put my hair in a bun. You could leave your hair down if you are literally just gonna stay home. But if you wanna go out, run some errands, I've done this before, it's so nice. You can literally just put your hair in a tight bun, or you could put it in a braid or something, and just go about your day. A little scrunchy moment. And then bam, here we go. This doesn't look super greasy in person. Okay, it looks a little oily, but it kind of looks like I either had just washed my hair or I put a ton of gel. I would definitely still go out like this, run some errands, so don't let this hold you back. Put your coconut oil in your hair and let that sit in. I'm gonna leave this in for a couple of hours, and then I'll get back to you guys once it's time to wash. See you later. Hey guys, welcome to the shower. So after letting the coconut oil sit in my hair for a few hours, it's finally time to wash it out. First, I'm going to grab the Aussie Miracle Waves shampoo, and I really like to focus this primarily on my scalp to get all that oil out. Eventually, I'll work my way down to the rest of my hair. I try to do a pretty thorough wash. After about 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and rinse everything out. Next, I go ahead and use the Aussie Miracle Waves conditioner. Again, this is infused with plum and hemp seed to tame frizz and provide moisture. I try to put this throughout my hair as evenly as possible. Some days though, my hair gets super tangled, so that's when I'll go in with the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Waves. First of all, it comes in this super convenient squeeze squeeze bottle, so it's really satisfying to use. I like to add a generous amount mainly in the bottom half of my hair. After about a minute, you can really feel a difference in how soft your hair feels. At this point, I like to go in with a wide tooth comb to comb out all of the tangles in my hair. I know this may seem like an insignificant step, but I swear this step is what helps define my waves. Every time I've skipped this combing out step, my waves never look as good, so don't forget to brush your hair. After about 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to rinse out all that conditioner, and I'll see you guys once I'm out. I just got out of the shower. You saw the whole thing. So after getting out of the shower, I like to dry my hair with a t-shirt or a microfiber towel rather than just like shaking it up with a towel or like putting it in like, you know, that like volcano that you do with your head. That's more likely to cause frizz. So I just like to use any old t-shirt and then I squeeze as much water out as I possibly can. I'm not gonna lie, because my camera was foggy while I was showering, I had to wait for it to like, you know, clear up. So my hair did drip a lot. I'm not getting a lot of water since a lot of it already came out. I like to go in with my favorite hairbrush ever. This is the Olivia Garden Detangler. I know people say do not brush your hair while it's wet. It's bad for it. You're gonna pull out your hair. I swear this brush breaks all the rules because it detangles your hair so nicely and delicately. Like it doesn't feel like I'm tugging at my hair. It just very nicely goes through everything. It doesn't hurt, and I honestly forget how amazing this brush is until I go for like a more standard hairbrush. Like this one's like just hard, right? And then I go in and I could like already feel just like it tugging my hair, and like I could feel my hair stretch a little bit since it's wet. That's a no-go. So I use this one and it just feels so nice. I highly recommend this brush for anyone that just gets really tangled hair. This like takes out knots beautifully. I may be one of the few people out there that just literally lets their hair air dry and do its own thing. Like I don't like to add a lot of product in my hair because I've noticed it kind of weighs my hair down. So while my hair is just fresh out of the shower, I like to keep things as simple as possible. This is embarrassingly messy. Let me try to clean this for you guys. Oh god, I made it worse. Okay, this is a little dirty, but it goes to show I use it a lot. This is the Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil. I don't know, I feel like it adds a great shine and also smells so good. I feel like all Aussie products just smell so amazing. I just go in with the oil, kind of go through this bottom half. I just like to focus this like on the ends really, and then I kind of go through my hair like this with any like leftover oil. Oh my god, the back of my hair, like back here, gets so dry. I don't know why, but it does. So I'm just gonna add a little bit back here. There we go. This is what I literally do. I don't scrunch my hair like a lot of people because I feel like my hair just naturally, I kind of like the way it naturally waves out when I just leave it straight. I feel like when I go like this and I touch my hair a lot, it causes a lot of frizz for some reason. To reduce frizz as much as possible, I also love using curl butters, leave-in conditioners, non-crunchy gels. There's a lot of those out there. Aussie has this amazing product too called like their leave-in detangling milk. This is super awesome. This is mainly to like detangle your hair. It smells amazing too, and it kind of looks like this. It's like a little leave-in conditioner kind of. I add the smallest amount and I go like on top like this. I know this is probably so weird, but I swear this like lays down so many flyaways. This is awesome to use right out of the shower if your hair is like really tangled and you need a little help detangling it all. This and this prime combo. So yeah, this is what I pretty much do with my hair. Literally so simple. I know this looks super sponsored with all these Aussie products, but I swear I've been literally using these for months and my hair has never looked better. I will put a photo of what my hair used to look like, I don't know, like last year I guess, and then what it looks like on the regular because of these products. So it's a pretty crazy comparison in my opinion. I've always thought I had frizzy hair, but in reality I just feel like I haven't been giving it the moisture that it needs. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry. If I end up adding any more products or something, I'll update you guys, but that's the update for now. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the finished product. I mean, you guys already saw this in the beginning, but here's a little close-up if you guys want to see. Very soft, defined waves going on. They go all throughout the bottom. Lots of volume going on too. Like, look at that. But yeah, this is the finished look. And I think the best thing about doing my hair like this and keeping it natural most of the week is that I don't have to wash it as often, because my natural hair just absorbs oil nicely. Like my like hair doesn't get that oily throughout the week. Honestly, like I will only wash my hair once a week, maybe sometimes twice a week if I work out and my hair is looking extra greasy. Sometimes if I want my waves to really stand out, I'll grab a gel and I will put it around this wave and kind of just twist it with my finger, and it really just helps define each one. And my hair stays looking so good throughout the week. Honestly, I like it better on day 2 and day 3, but you guys are stuck with day 1. I hope you guys liked this video and learned something new. I would say the tips that I would pick up from this video is incorporate a hair mask, try to wash your hair as little as possible throughout the week, incorporate hair products that are free of parabens, sulfates, and then use a lot of conditioner to really condition your curls and your waves. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you a ton and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!